Greetings to everyone. My name is Yash. I am a student of BCA first year Hindu Institute of Management. As we are about to celebrate 75 years of independence, so I would like to share my views on the history of Indian independence and the struggle behind it. The real struggle behind the independence began in 1857 with the revolt of the military soldiers. But the British were succeeded in crushing the revolt within a year. This revolt became very popular and was regarded as first war for Indian independence. After this, a lot of changes were made by Britishers in Indian system because as deep down they knew that Indians were not going to stay quiet for long. In 1885, the birth of Indian National Congress led to the mark of new educated middle class into politics, which reformed the face of Indian politics. Indian National Congress did a lot for the freedom of India. In 1906, the Swadeshi movement was introduced, which included the purchase of Indian goods and burning the British goods. This movement was widely spread in India and most of the people actively participated in it, thus making the British government angry. After First World War, Mahatma Gandhi became most important leader for the freedom of India because after just coming back from South Africa, he started working for the freedom of India. India's first civil disobedient movement was the Champaran movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1917. This is considered as one of the vital movements in Indian history as it gave Indians the strength to fight against injustice done by the Britishers. After this, Mahatma Gandhi started the Khilafat movement in which he addressed the Muslim in the All India Muslim Conference and demanded the boycott of British government rules. In the year 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh incident happened, which had shaken the Indian sentiments completely. Thousands of Indians were killed by the Britishers. This was considered as the worst day in Indian history. In 1920, Mahatma Gandhi has introduced the non-corporation movement, which was the biggest mass movement India has ever observed. After this movement, most of the leaders were put behind the bars by the Britishers. Thus, the leaders had to face many consequences for demanding freedom of India. The major movement that marked the end of British era was the Quit India movement. As the name initiated this movement asked Britishers to quit India. A lot of leaders were arrested just after the start of the movement. This led to a lot of violence and a lot of people were killed. But in the end, it resulted in freedom of India. But the freedom for our country was not easy. A lot of freedom fighters, leaders have sacrificed a lot and a lot of lives were sacrificed in the struggle. In the end, I want to pay my respects and thank all the freedom fighters who fought for the freedom of our country. Thank you friends, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you.